give you a closer shot. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, it smells good and I'm sure it tastes really good too. So I am gonna go ahead and taste it for you guys, but you know what, I'm a kind person, so I'm gonna let you have the first bite. Look at that, look at that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope my lovely people are just having a great day, or if it's not, you're watching me, I hope you all are just having a great night. And as usual, you're welcome in my kitchen. Today is lunchtime, guys, and trust me when I tell you that the sun is hot, the sun is hot. And your girl gonna do some lunch, something that is very simple, easy, quick. No long time in the kitchen, guys. As I said, the sun is hot, the time is hot, the house hot, everything hot. So what your girl gonna look about for lunch today is some nice Jamaican white rice with some tin mackerel. Yes, you know, a lot of people have different names for tin mackerel. Boom, flash out. Yes, so your girl gonna look about some nice flash out, as I said, tin mackerel and white rice. So come along with me and I show you how I get this meal done. All right, so I have my pot over here with some water that I'm going to put my rice into. So I'm just gonna season up my pot. Yeah man, I season up my pot with some nice scallion and thyme and garlic, and cook my white rice with me flash out or tin mackerel, anything you call it. All right, so as your girl continue, you will see what I am doing in my kitchen. All right guys, so now I have my rice, my water over here, I boil up and I season my pot. I have some scallion, some thyme, garlic, and a piece of margarine I add to the water. Yeah man, you have to season up your rice when you cook your rice. All right, so what me I gonna do now, me I gonna wash my rice and then me add it to my pot. Then me I gonna start cut up my seasoning to look after me tin mackerel or my boom, anything where you call it. All right, so me I gonna wash my rice now, so me see you guys in a little while. All right, so that's my pot there, all seasoned up and everything. So me I gonna add my rice now. Right, let me just stir up everything here. So this is how you season up your rice, right? So that's how it look. I'm going to cover up this now and make my rice steam, and I'll cover it up to the full. Alright, so leave the rice. So come over here now. I am going to start cutting up my seasoning. So this is the tin mackerel that I'm using. You can use any one that you desire. Alright, so we could cut up with season now and start the big thing over here. So I'm going to wash my tomato. Yeah man, can't look about tin mackerel and not have your tomato. Alright, so I just all cut it. Sometimes I will take out the seed out of it, because I don't really like the seed that much. If not, you cut up everything. Alright, so guys, tell me what's going on in the neck of your wood. Guys, trust me, let me tell you, say the sun is so hot here. I mean, say the sun is so hot, God, and the summer not start yet. All right, so I have my onion here. Just peel off the onion. But guys, honestly, you know, as I said in my previous video, that everybody is home now, have to do a lot of cooking, like myself with my family. Trust me, these people, they love the cook food, so I have to cook, guys. I have to cook, and it's something that I do enjoy, so no problem. Alright, so you cut up your onion and you cut them in any way you desire. Right? Cut off here. And you can add sweet pepper, but guys, I have no sweet pepper. That thing is so expensive in Jamaica, but use what you have. You have a little piece of pepper here. You cut off one small piece of it because I tell you them pepper are hot. Alright, just like that. Alright, so now I am going to just get my pot and just put it on with some oil and add my seasoning, and then me add my flash out, and lunch is almost ready. So I see you guys in a little while, but do enjoy watching your girl. All right, my pot is hot over here, guys, so I'm adding all of my seasoning, every single thing. All right, so you just, so before adding the tin mackerel, yeah man, but yeah, things looking good. Like to clean as me go along, guys. Tell me how when you're in the kitchen, how you do. You just cook and then you clean up, or you clean as you go along. Leave your comment in the comment box. All right, guys, my rice almost finished cook. Just gonna test it here. Let's test our rice here to see how it is. Yeah, so far it's looking good. You see how my rice is shelly. It's ready. Yeah man, rice is ready. So I'm just gonna turn the flame down and let it just stay there, steam. All right, but so far, guys, kitchen looking good, smelling good, guys. So lunch will be ready in a little while. Alright guys, so as you can see over here, look at that. That's our mackerel. So you just and I'm using that mackerel. So guys, as you can see here, tin mackerel, flash out, get a steak, anything you call it, is ready. All right, and over here I have my rice, which is ready. So now guys, I am going to dish out or present it to you, and then we eat. All right, but lunch is ready in Sarah's House of Flavor. Hey guys, so guys, lunch is ready over here in Sarah's House of Flavor. Look at this, guys, look at this. This looks so beautiful, and I know it tastes delicious too. Guys, I'm sure you would love to see more of my cooking, so you have to subscribe to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. Click on that red subscribe sign, yes, and there's a bell right beside it. You have to click on that too, so when your girl upload all her new videos, you will be notified. And as usual, guys, thank you for being in my kitchen with me. Please be safe, walk good, God bless you all, and I see you soon in Sarah's House of Flavor. Bye everybody.